Well, it's time to say goodbye to our motorhome point via Greywater. It's served us well over the years, but it's become a much hated item by many people, apparently. So let's have a last look and say goodbye. And so it begins. We'll see how it goes. Well, let's see what happens tomorrow. See how far we get. End of day 2. Bottom's down. It's all cleared away. It's all sitting there for me to move later. So concrete's getting poured tomorrow as long as the weather's good. All going well so far. Day 3, concrete's going down. There we are, job done. Bonnie's making the final inspections on the drain, make sure it's okay. Complete replacement and a 5-day job. All done. Let's see how well this one works out.